API provide a flexible, lightweight way to integrate applications and have emerged as the most common method for connecting components in microservices architectures. IEX Cloud is a platform that makes financial data and services accessible to everyone. The IEX Cloud API is based on REST, has resource-oriented URLs, returns JSON encoded responses, and returns standard HTTP response codes. In this video, we shall demonstrate how to use Python request library to retrieve data from IEX Cloud API. First, we will import all the necessary libraries, including the Python request library. Next, we will import the IEX Cloud API token by reading a file that is external, so that you don't reveal your API token to anyone. Next, let's retrieve the Apple stock data, and this is the endpoint for the stock data, and you enter your API key over here. And then once the data is retrieved, you convert it to a JSON format. You can now print out some of the data, for example, the latest price, market capitalization, and PE ratio. You can also put your data into a data frame. But let's create a data frame with the columns ticker, price, market capitalization, and PE ratio. Next, let's pull three stock data: Apple, Tesla, and Meta. And we use a for loop to retrieve the data using the same endpoint, request the data and convert it to a JSON format, and then enter into the data frame. Next, we will sort the data according to the PE ratio. This concludes the video on REST API. The code can be downloaded below. If you would like to feedback on the video, we welcome your comments below. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.